Hello everyone. In this video I am going to discuss the advanced features of Google Docs that will be very helpful to you. So for using Google Docs you must log into your Google account and open drive.google.com and click here new Google Docs and click blank document. So I will discuss all the important features of advanced features of Google Docs that will be very helpful to you. So you can rename your document by clicking here. So practice with Google Docs. So the first feature that I am going to explain, as you can see here, tools menu, is voice typing. So whatever I speak, it will be typed here. So by default language is English. So if you want to use this picture, just click to speak, click here. Hello everyone, this is the tutorial on Google Docs. I am using voice typing feature of Google Docs. So after speaking, you just click on this icon and whatever you have spoken, you can see it has been typed in the Google Docs. And now suppose if you want to change the language, a typing language, a voice language, just click here and you can select any language. There are so many languages here. For example, if I want to use Hindi language, so just click here Hindi, and now I will speak in Hindi language and it will be typed. So click here, नमस्कार, कैसे हैं आप सब। आज मैं आपको गूगल डॉक्स के एडवांस फीचर्स के बारे में बताना चाहता हूं। So whatever you have spoken in Hindi language, you can see it has been typed. And similarly you can change the different languages from here. You can select Punjabi or you can select the language of your region and you can type accordingly. So this is very important feature of Google Docs. You can type the long documents by just speaking. This is the one feature of Google Docs that is very helpful to me, and it will be also helpful to you. Just simply click tools and click on voice typing, and then you can select any language from here. You can select language like Hindi, English, Punjabi, select language of your region, and whatever you speak, it will be typed automatically. And another important feature that I'm going to use, for example, suppose I have deleted this. Now I want to translate this document into some another language. Fine. So for that you just go to tools and here you will see the translate document. It will ask you to rename this document, to give new document a title, for example Hindi copy. So just to choose a language, just select Hindi language from here, and whatever I have written in just select Hindi language, Hindi language, and translate. And it will be translated into Hindi. सभी को नमस्कार, ये गूगल डॉक्स पर ट्यूटोरियल है। मैं गूगल डॉक्स की वॉइस टाइपिंग सुविधा का उपयोग कर रहा हूँ। Similarly, you can translate this document to another language, suppose a Punjabi copy. These are very important features, voice typing and translate, that you must use. So just click on translate, and Punjabi copy will be automatically created and will automatically be saved in your Google Drives. Sabnu hello, Google Docs the tutorial है. So see, it has been typed into Punjabi language. It has been translated into Punjabi language. You can similarly select any language in which you want to translate this document. So very important feature. Now suppose if you want to save the this document, PDF file of this document, so just click on file and here download, and see you can download this document into different formats. You can download this document into EPUB publication, or you can download this document as a web page, or as a text file, or as a PDF file. See, there are different options are available. So I want to save this document as PDF, so just click on as a .pdf, and see a PDF file has been downloaded, Hindi copy. A PDF file has been downloaded and it will be in my downloads, downloaded documents. Fine. So you can save a copy. You can save a different in different formats. And if you want to email this document from here, right from here, you just file and email, and you can email this file. Fine. So another features that are very simple features, like how to create a table, and how to for example, if you want to insert some image, or if you want to insert some table, if you want to insert drawing, I have explained in another video. And just for the introduction, if you want to insert an image, just click image, and you can either upload the image from the computer or from your drive. See, if you want to insert a table, it will show you want to take 1 by 1, or 1 by 2 by 1, or 1 by 2, and what type of table do you want to create. For example, I want to create a 4 by 2, so just click and see 4 columns and 2 rows are here. If you want to insert a drawing, you can insert a new drawing, or you can upload from the drive. Just click on here drawing, and here you can create a drawing, and you can then save and close this. You can insert a chart from here, bar chart, column, line. If you want to insert horizontal line, you can insert a horizontal line like this. If you want to insert some special character, you can also insert. See, there are so many special characters are here. If you want to insert mathematical symbol, you can insert mathematical symbol from here. And see, so many options are here. Fine. Even you can draw a symbol here. Very additional features are provided by this Google Docs. You can use on daily basis. Even you can format the text. You can make the text as bold, italic, underline. There are different type of paragraph styles. You can align the, for example, if I want to align this, you can align the text. Even you can set the line spacing. See, line spacing I have set. Fine. Columns are here. If you want to show it in 2 columns, you can select columns. Fine. Bullets and numbering, header and footer. So many options are here. And in the tools, spelling and grammar check, you can use this feature, spelling and grammar, and document looks good. There is no typing either. For example, if I write like this, university, and it, see, automatically it has corrected. Fine. And here you can see it also give you suggestions. For example, here feature, and then there are 2 off. feature off. I am using the voice. Hello everyone. See, this is giving me automatically suggestions to correct this document. Fine. So this is the spelling and grammar. Word count is here. You can compare two documents and you can use the dictionary also. You can use the dictionary. For example, I want to see the meaning of this word. You can use the dictionary. Fine, you can use the dictionary feature. See, tutorial. So it will give you the meaning of this word in detail. So there are so many advanced features as well as basic features that are there in the Google Docs. You must use. You can use different add-ons from here. You can get the add-ons and then you can use with Google Docs. So the most important features is translate document, voice typing, save as PDF, and even you can insert different type of objects. Fine. And you can see the different type of modes. You can, if you want to see the equation toolbar, you can see the equation toolbar from here in the view tab. Fine. So these are the important features. I hope you have got an idea that how you can use these advanced features of Google Docs. If you still have any query, you can ask me, and whatever you type, it will be automatically saved in the Google Doc, in your Google Drive. Just reload this drive and all the documents will be right in your Google Drive. See, advanced features, Punjabi copy, fine, Hindi copy. I have created all these documents and these documents are automatically saved in the Google Drive. So that's all for this video. Thank you.